प्रियतम इस प्रकार मध्यस्थ का अभिमान पूर्ण भावमोहन प्रेम है, उसकी किसी प्रकार से ध्वंस होने की संभावना नहीं है। यहाँ पर कहा है परक्रिया भाव में जो चार जो अमुक अस्त्र याद है, दुर्गवता दक्षिण कामकता और निश्चिंतता। ये चार प्रज्ञा भाव की प्रेम की विशेष अमोघ वस्तु होता है। किसी उदाहरण दे जिसमें सिद्ध देहकांति युक्त गर्भयुक्त इस प्रकार संज्ञा रहित तथा निर्भर होता है।
So continuation of Shri Prem Samputa Grantha, Shlok number 55. The proud, confident and graceful lion sleep fearlessly without disturbance. Similarly, that Prem which brims with affection exhibits pride due to the rise of Man and reaches the stage of Pranay, can never be destroyed in that prema, the pride of possessiveness. He is mine, he is exclusively my beloved, he is firmly situated within the heart of the lover.
कृष्ण मेरा है निरंतर प्रतिकृत प्रतिनंदन कदा परि सस्यमान।
Due to this excess love, sometimes this pride exhibits and is always thinking Krishna is mine, Krishna is mine. Nirantara Vashibhutam. And they also think due to our love Krishna is in our control.
और प्रणय इसके लिए विशेष एक वैशिष्ट्य भी होता है। प्रणय मन अपने देह मन आत्मा प्रसाद परिचय सभी अपने प्रियन के साथ एक ही
So the mind, body and the speech, everything they think that one with the beloved, and this is pranay. There is no difference between me and my beloved. He is my beloved. So by thinking this, there is one bhav manifested there, that is called madikta bhav. Madiyat and Tadiyat, two bhavs. In Swapaksha gopis, they have this bhav called Krishna is mine. So Chandravali bhav, there is different. Tadiyakta, Madiyakta. Madiyakta means mine. My son, my parents, mine, they are mine. It's mine only. Madhyakta Bhav and Tadyakta. Madhyakta Bhav. So Madhyakta Bhav is the Shrestha. What is Tadyakta Bhav? Tadyakta Bhav is I belong to him. This is Tadyakta Bhav. In Dwarka, all the queens of Krishna, they are in this bhav, Tadyakta Bhav. I belong to him. Where there is more Sakhiyatva Bhav, friendship Bhav, there is this Tadyakta Bhav. I belong to him. And Madhyakta Bhav, he is mine. Whatever I say, he should do that. So in the Sanskrit, Madhyakta and Tadyakta Bhav both are mentioned, especially in the Braj Gopis. Radha and other gopis, Swapaksha gopis, Swapaksha, Vipaksha, Dvipaksha, Swapaksha. Radha and other gopis are known as Swapaksha. So they have this bhav that Krishna is mine, he belongs to me. And in their heart there is a natural pride which exists. How can we do service to Krishna? How can we attain him by the love? So this is some kind of pride. Madha Madani Yavvane in Radha Kripa Kataksha.
जो सुलभ पीड़ा है कृष्ण की जो प्रॉब्लम जो आनंद जो राधा जी देते हैं वो कोई दे नहीं सकते
Madha Madan Yavvane. In their beauty they have a pride. Pramoda Mana Mandite. She manifests such a man which is pramoda. Pramoda means which gives joyfulness. Kriyanuraga Ranjite. She always entertaining her beloved with her So what is the rag here? When even the sadness or dukkha, the painful, turns into the happiness, that is called rag. And this is with Srimati Radharani. Madhamadadi Yavvane. Kala Vilasa Pandite. She is expert in all kinds of arts. So many different kinds of kala, Shilpa kala, Ranjan kala, and so many kala, Nritya, Geet, and many other kalas. So she is expert in all these kinds of kala. Deva Ujjvala Buddhi iti Panditaha. So this is the meaning of Pandit in Sanskrit. Vedojjvala is called Pandita. Vedojjvala Buddhi is Pandita. Like how Krishna is expert in all kinds of knowledge, Krishna is Sarva Vidya Parangata. He is expert in all kinds of Vidya and knowledge.
expert.
he is expert.
उसी प्रकार श्रीमती राधा
In the
जी
same way, Srimati Radhika also, she is expert in all kinds of knowledge.
कृष्ण में जितना ज्ञान है कम से कम राधा जी उसके कम से कम 2 उंगली बुरी ऊपर हुआ है।
So how much ever Krishna knows the knowledge, Radharani knows more than that.
नहीं तो वो कैसे करे? जिसमें भरा मंदिर गुरु को नहीं है प्रमोद मान मंदिर के ज्ञान राग रंग के कला विलास पंडित समस्त प्रकार की कला प्रेम कला जो है काम कला को प्रेम कला समस्त प्रकार कला में विद्या में वो पारदर्शी कृष्ण में तत्व महसूस करते हैं। इसलिए कहते हैं श्रीमती राधिका इसलिए कहते
So Srimati Radhika,
इस प्रकार मधुरता अभिमान पूर्णता भावमान जो प्रेम है उसी किसी प्रकार से ध्वंस होने की संभावना नहीं है। क्यों ध्वंस नहीं होता? प्रेम में जिसके बाद ध्वंस कहाँ से हो? अतः यह तो प्रणय की हृदय में निश्चल भाव से विराजित रहता है। जिस प्रकार सिंह कुत्ते को कभी भी नहीं कुछ नहीं समझता। शेर भी कुत्ते से थोड़ी डरते हैं। शेर हुंकार करने से
कुत्ता डर जाता है।
उससे तो जंगल बाहर कुछ छोड़ते हैं।
Just as a lion considers a dog to be insignificant, so Prema does not recognize insignificant dog-like obstacles. Just by the sound of this lion, this dog shakes. So this lion is considered as love here, and dog is considered as obstacles. Just like lion considers a dog as insignificance, Prema also recognize insignificance, all these obstacles.
हृदय में कृष्ण की दर्शन हेतु जो प्रेम का आनंद उत्पन्न होता है।
So Srimati Radharani, when she sees Lord Krishna's beautiful face, when she is able to enjoy this kind of anand, she is not able to experience the klesh or pain or sorrow. She is not able to experience this when she sees the beautiful face of Lord Krishna. Like yesterday Maharaj is giving example, and today also Maharaj is giving the same example. When Krishna and covered boys are near Govardhan, Srimati Radharani climbs Govardhan to have the darshan of Krishna. Although it is so sunny day and the Govardhan Shila, it is so hot burnt and no one can even touch by the bare foot, but Srimati Radharani by her soft legs, she is climbing this Govardhan, and the hot scorching sun is shining on the head of Srimati Radharani. So there is a heat from the above and the below also. So she is not even feeling the pain of these things, because she is absorbed in Krishna's one-pointed. She is seeing the face of Krishna.
किंतु राधा जी की जो प्रेम की महाभाव स्थिति है, उनके क्लेश यानी कुछ अनुभव हम लोग की थोड़ी बहुत क्लेश हो, कष्ट हो।
So if we have little klesh also, we can experience. Klesh means maybe like pain or sorrows, miseries. But Radharani, since she is always situated in the Mahabhav, she is not able to experience this pain, because she is always Nitya Parikar of Shri Krishna, Nitya Siddha. Srimati Radharani and other gopis, they are Siddhas. How they are Siddha? So there is a difference of the Sadhak and Siddha, and there is also mention. Avikyato Akila Klesha, one who would not know any Klesha, and always She is absorbed in Krishna Prema, the love of Godhead, and Krishna Seva, the service of to Krishna. So this is called Nitya Siddha. So just like lion considered a dog to be insignificant, so Prem does not recognize insignificant. Dog-like obstacles such as a lamp's glow become brighter in the darkness, so the glory of Prem becomes more lustrous in the face of obstacles. With those obstacles considered, Prema becomes more radiant than before, thus situated in never diminishes. Like how sun is rising, and if you light a candle, so like in front of this sunshine, what is this small candle's shine can do? Nothing. Sun's shine is like vast, and this small candle is very small. So in this way example is given. Avigyato akila kleshaha. So Nitya Siddha Parikar Avigyato akila kleshaha. They are getting so much lamentation, but they are not experiencing this lamentation. They are getting sorrows, miseries, lamentation, but they are not experiencing it. Why? Example is given here. When Krishna plays the flute and calls out the gopis' name, all the gopis trying to go out of the house. At that time their husbands, their mother-in-laws and everyone start chastising them. But whatever they chastise will not even enter into the ears of these gopis. They are just absorbed in Krishna. Absorbed in Krishna. Venudvani. Venudvani? Krishna रूपी जो अवदंश प्राणी, कृष्ण नाम रूप गुण लीला अवधंस प्रवाह वचन, वो कृष्ण नाम रूप गुण लीला ही कथा ही सदा सर्वदा बोले. So why they are not able to listen all the chastisements from their family? Because from the here they are always anchoring to hear Krishna Nam, Krishna Katha. Always they are absorbed in it. So Maharaj is telling, if anyone observes in एक व्यक्ति आकर उस समय एक व्यक्ति आकर के पूछा, भाई बरात गया आपके सामने किधर तरफ गए? बरात, अरे आगे आना भाई, अभी 2 मिनट पहले बरात जो है विवाह के मुझे ढोल ढाल भाग करके गीत करते निकल गए. किस तरह से? बोले मैं तो दिखाई भी नहीं और सुनाई भी. क्यों? वो इतने निविष्ट हुए थे, वो तीर को जो एक करने के बोले क्या होते हैं? स्टिच करने के लिए. So Maharaj is giving one small example here. He is telling that once a tailor was stitching some cloth and he was very much absorbed and concentrated on this work, and next to him there was one big procession went, and after the procession went, one person came and asked him, do you know which way the procession went? So the tailor is telling, no, I don't know, and I did not even see, I did not hear anything. But how can this possible? It is possible because he is absorbed in his work. So in the same way, gopis also, their ears are always eager to hear Harikatha and Krishna Nam. So they are not able to hear anything from the material world.
और देह रोग ये अपने आप चलेगा। ये हमें तो रोग आएगा कि जब तक हम शरीर में है, इस शरीर में रोग शोक आएगा कि नहीं है? किंतु देखो उसी स्थिति में रोग शोक आने पर भी उनकी कुछ अनुभव मिलता है।
So in this body also we get so much kind of disease, rog, shok, sorrow. Mahaprabhu's devotee was having a leprosy. He was having so much leprosy that there was so many worms also formed in his body. And whenever this worm fall down, he used to remove and he used to put back in the same place. So they are all Uttam Uttam Bhagavat. If we get just small itching, we should go to the doctor. When you reach the stage of Uttam Uttam Bhagavat, all these klesha, pains, you will never get any experience.
ये सब तो किसमें होता है? साधन में नहीं, ये सब सिद्ध पुरुषों के नित्य परिवारों में।
So all these things is happened in Siddha Parikar, not in a sadhak.
जिस प्रकार अंधकार में दीपक की उज्ज्वलता बढ़ती है,
In which way, in the darkness, if you light a lamp, the lamp shine is glowing more and more. In the same way,
फिर राधा जी कहती हैं, ये सखी लपटने के कारण यह प्रेम तुझे लपट कहती हो।
Prem becomes more radiant than before. That situated, it never diminishes. Saki, though lascivious desire, this prem makes one constantly release the beloved in new and fresh ways. Like the moon, it pleases the three worlds with excessive intoxication, and it also burns like the sun at the time of universal devastation.
जो लंपट जो इसे पूर्ण युग हम जिसको हम दोष दिखाते हैं, पहले सारे दोष दिखाए, लंपटता क्या दोष है?
Lampatata.
किंतु राधा जी कहती लंपटता दोष नहीं। जहाँ पर राधा की गुणों में जो
Duplicity.
ये तीन क्या है? दोष दिखाते हैं, विरोधी युक्त गुण जिसको कहा जाता है, विरोधी युक्त गुण दिखाई देता है, विरोधी गुण दिखाई देता है। जैसे पारने के राधा कृष्ण की प्रेम के पारने के स्थान नहीं है, तुम तो काफी पढ़ रहे, ये विरोधी बात होती है। ये बढ़ते श्री तक पहुंच तो पढ़ेगा कहाँ? तथापि राधा प्रेम पाड़े खाने और इसी तरह अपराधित है। जिस प्रकार उदाहरण देते जाकर फिर एक गिलास पानी है, पूर्ण पानी गिलास में पूरा भर गया और एक बूंद नहीं चली गई, किंतु आप पानी फिर वही गिलास में जो है मैंने पूर्ण गिलास जल में जो है पानी जो है आप उसमें डाल दें, किंतु पानी एक बूंद नीचे नहीं गिर रहा है और उसमें ही समा जाएगा। ये कैसे हो सकता है? होगी कि नहीं? ठीक उसी प्रकार राधा जी की प्रेम कृष्ण के प्रति जो प्रेम जो है बाढ़ने के स्थान नहीं रहने पर भी कहते हैं चित्र बड़े खड़े बड़ी संचार में करते हैं। तो इसी के लिए अपना इस जगत में उदाहरण नहीं दे सकते।
In Chaitanya Charitamrita, sorry. So here they are telling, O Saki, Here Radharani is speaking to Devangana, heavenly damsel,
ये आप जो कह रहे हो
Krishna in the form of Devangan.
ऐसे लंपट लड़के के साथ प्रेम करना उचित नहीं है। कहते नहीं कृष्ण की लंपटता ही उनकी गुण है। किसी अवतार में ये
Krishna, Devangana is telling to Radharani, this Krishna is an womanizer, and how can you love him? Even the Lord Narayana, Lord Ram, and Dwarkadish Krishna, no one has this kind of quality. They are not womanizers.
कृष्ण में जो लंपटता
But this Krishna is so womanizer.
लंपट व्यक्ति के साथ कोई प्रेम करे
How can you do prem with him?
तो राधा जी की समस्त दोष के कैसे गुण के रूप में प्रकाशित करते हैं।
So all these disqualifications or unqualifications, Radharani is telling. It's so Radharani is justifying all these things by saying,
कृष्णा जो दूसरी गोपी के साथ चले जाते हैं
so when Krishna goes with another gopi, leaving Srimati Radharani,
दूसरी गोपी के साथ जो प्रेम आदि करते हैं
and he makes prem and loving relationship with that gopi, pinastumam, ashlishyava padaratamam pinastumam, आदर्शनान मर्महत्वम करोतुवा यथा तथा वा ददातु लंपटो मत्प्राणनाथस्तु स एव नापरः. So even in Chaitanya Charitamrita also, the last verse says, Ashlishyava padaratastu mam pinastu Adarshanan marmahatan karotuva Yata tatava vidadatu lampato matprananatastu sa eva naparaha. So Radharani is telling he's lampat. So he's hiding and loving with another gopi. So how should another gopi should feel? So much pain. Nobody knows what Krishna is doing, but when he is doing in front of everyone, although all these things are there, Srimati Radharani is telling he is my Prananath. So by that Srimati Radharani makes man. Through man, the new form of love is manifested. So Srimati Radharani is telling it's always new and new. So she is telling like the moon, it pleases all three worlds with excessive intoxication, and it also burns like the sun at the time of universal devastation. So both at the same time they are telling, although moon is so pleasing and pleasant and so cold, in the same way, all these things are there, pleasing, snigdhata, mrudata, everything is there. And simultaneously, in my heart, such a pain comes like the devastating sun. It will change. So, in the meaning of this love, Srila Sanatana Goswami Pad is telling in Brihad Bhagavatamrita, Prem dukdayi or sukdayi. Prem is distressful or cheerful. So to decide this, it is very difficult, almost impossible. What is the love is happiness or sad? How can you evidence this? So both are together. It is also happiness and it is also sorrow. How can you say this? Darkness and sun's light cannot stay together. Tulsidas is telling this. But in the transcendental world, Klesh, Dukh, Ananda of the Prem
एक ही साथ में रहता
will stay
है।
together.
प्रमाण कैसे करो?
How can you evidence
तो
this?
जहाँ पर दुख के हम लोग जो कहते हैं राग की अवस्था में जो कहे जहाँ पर दुख जो है सुख रूप में प्रतिभाग होता है, जिससे भेदभाव सनातन पुस्तक फिर प्रकरण करते जा रहे हैं। देखो एक
So Sanatana Goswami is telling in Brihad Bhagavatamrita,
आइस
take a ice.
आइस गर्म है कि ठंडी है?
Is the ice cold or heat?
गर्म है।
Thanda hai.
हैं?
It is cold, right? Ice is always cold. Ice cubes.
कुछ समय चलने के बाद आपको हाथ आप कहोगे ये मेरा हाथ जल रहा है क्या?
So, if you hold the ice cube in your hand and walk for some time, hold it tightly. After some time you say, my hand is burning. Although ice cube is so cold, if you take 5 kilo ice in your hand and walk, so when the hand becomes cold, the blood circulation is mostly not happening there on the hand. So you will feel like that your hand is burning. So this is the evidence Sanatana Goswami giving in his Brihad Bhagavatamrita.
पहले तो ठीक ही लगता है, किंतु कुछ समय के बाद लगे हाथ हमें जला। अच्छा, हाथ जब जल रहे हैं तो वो हाथ को ठंडी करने के क्या करोगे आप बताओ? फिर अग्नि के पास जाकर के वो हाथ को क्या करना पड़ेगा?
So if the hand is burning due to the ice, so फिर
देखो जो
if to get to the normal way, what you should do, you should go and keep your hand near the fire.
रात्रि भी जलता है और उसी ताप से आपको क्या हो रहा है? आराम मिल रहा है। वृंदावन
Bihari Lal ki jai.
इसमें सनातन गोस्वामी पाद देव
So Sanatana Goswami Pad in his Brihad Bhagavatamrita Grantha, he is telling,
शीतल है,
Prem, is it cold or like the fire it is hot?
गरम है, बस जलाना है, इसके निर्णय देना
So giving conclusion is not possible. In whose heart there is a love, only he can experience whether this love is painful or pleasurable.
इसलिए जगत में यहाँ पर क्या हम प्रेम की
परिभाषा में
बोल नहीं सकते, प्रेम दुखदायी कैसे है। उसी प्रकार राधा जी इसी प्रकार बता रहे हैं, वो चंद्रमा के समान।
So from this material world we cannot judge anything whether the love is suffering or pleasure. Burn. I think there was some internet problem.
और नए नए भाव को आस्वादन दान में नायक को उत्फुल्ल कर देते हैं। यह प्रति नायक को भी अन्य नायिका के पास गए हुए नायक की अप्राप्ति के कारण विरह दशा में प्राप्त कराती है तथा नायक की
The meaning here is that the lover, Nayaka, has, Nayaka means love, hero, has such deep love and affection, attachment to many that he develops a longing for more and more Nayikas, heroines. Tasting such new moods greatly delights the heroines. This love and affection causes the beloved to experience separation from the lover when he goes to another hero. The beloved dreams about the happiness of past and future meetings with the lover, and thus she becomes submerged in an ocean of unpredictable enjoyment. As the moon's rays cool the three worlds that exist when the Nayaka and Nayika meets, creates an enjoyment that cannot be described in words. At that time the lover and beloved perceive the three worlds to be filled with happiness. Yet in the state of separation from each other, such prema gives more pain than million of forest fires, and it seems that everything is burning.
तो उसी प्रकार ये चार जो विरह है, ये विरह चार संभव दृष्टि है, वो पुष्टि कराते रहते हैं, उसमें आनंद होता है।
So this viraha is always pleasing at one point.
प्रेम संभोग के जो है सर्वोच्च रूप में वो आनंद प्रदान करते हैं।
The meeting of Radha and Krishna is the topmost happiness.
संकीर्त संकीर्ण
Samshipta, Sankirna, Sampanna, Samriddhaman.
मिलन कहा जाता है।
4 types of meeting, Milan.
ये सब पे विचार किया है। कई बार तो हम लोग आलोचना भी करते हैं।
All these things we have mentioned.
वह प्रति नायक भी अन्य नायिका के पास जाएंगे, नायक की अप्राप्ति के कारण विरह दशा में प्राप्त कराती है, तथा नायक के भूत नायिका को भूत तथा भविष्य विभिन्न प्रकार के संभव सुख का स्वप्न प्रदान करते हुए एक अभूतपूर्व आस्वादन सागर में निमज्जित कराते हैं।
So Maharaj is telling this, the lover has such deep love and affectionate attachment to many beloveds that develops a longing for more and more heroines. Tasting such new moods greatly delights the Nayaka, hero.
देखो कैसे विचित्र सपना टूटने पर भी उनके राजा जी के ऐसे लगते हैं, सब उचित रहता है जहाँ ये आज कृष्ण कोई गोपी के साथ मिले नहीं, कृष्ण कोई गोपी के साथ नहीं मिला, किंतु सपना देखा और सपना उसको देख करके
So these heroines, gopis, saw this Radharani saw in a dream that Krishna is meeting with another gopi. Just even in the dream, if she is seeing that Krishna is meeting with another gopi, or if she hears that Krishna if Radharani hears from another Sakhi that Krishna is with another gopi, Srila Radharani's man is manifested and new kind of love is also manifested. So even in the Ujjwal Nilamani, it is described all these things. Like how Srimati Radharani, by hearing from the Sakhi or just by seeing herself that Krishna is with another gopi, she makes man. So in this way here it is mentioned the beloved dreams about the happiness of past and future meetings with the lover, and thus he becomes submerged in an ocean of unprecedented enjoyment. As the moon's rays cool the 3 worlds, the prema that exists when the Nayaka and Nayika meets creates an enjoyment that cannot be described in words. At that time, the lover and beloved perceive the 3 worlds to be filled with happiness, yet in the state of separation from each other, such prema gives more pain than millions of forest fires, and it seems that everything is burning. So in the Mahabhava Dasa there are 6 symptoms that in the highest mood even it feels like Brahmanda is destroying, it's going to burst. Although Krishna is meeting with Srimati Rukmini personally, Srimati Radharani here in Vrindavan, she is feeling the separation and she gets fainted. Although Krishna is sitting and having his enjoying mood with Rukmini in Dwarka, but here in Vrindavan, Srimati Radharani, immediately she feels pain and separation and she gets fainted. And even Krishna also will get fainted out of this. So how can this be possible? In this word we cannot describe in the words. So in the Acharya Pad tell, this lover and beloved have such a connection. The veena, string instrument, there are so many strings. There are 4 or 5 strings. If we just touch the string of the veena, it reaches very loud. So in the same way, the lover and beloved's love, although they are in different places, if they feel separation from one heart to heart, this is manifested. So very beautifully it is explained, but since time is running out, we may continue in the another class. Maharaj is telling, Lal ki jai, Dandavat pranam to all devotees. Hare Krishna.